Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sherlyn. Welcome to Sherlyn Food Etc. Today we are making homemade guacamole. It's really fresh and tasty and very easy to do, so let's go make some. So for our ingredients, we have 3 avocados ripe. We have 1 fresh lime. We have 1 little jalapeno. I already removed the seeds. Some chopped cherry tomatoes. This is around 1/2 cup. Around 1/3 cup of red onion. A bunch of cilantro. Around 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. And 1/2 teaspoon salt. So let's go start mix this all up. So I already have 3 mashed avocado in a mixing bowl. All we need to do is just mix the rest of the ingredients, which is our lime. We'll squish the lime juice. We'll give it a mix. And then we can add in all our vegetable, the tomatoes, our chopped onion, minced jalapeno pieces, and the cilantro, and our 1/2 teaspoon salt and 1/2 teaspoon ground black pepper. So that's all you need to do. Just mix it all up. Just like that. We're done. We'll just cover this with a cling wrap until we're ready to serve this. We put this in a refrigerator. Just like that. Okay, we'll refrigerate this for a few minutes before we serve it. So you can serve your guacamole with some Mexican rice and some barbecue meat, or another option, or you can use your guacamole to dip your chips in while you might watching your favorite movie. Thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you're gonna give this recipe a try. It's really easy and refreshing and it's delicious. Perfect for movie time or for dinner time with some Mexican rice. Mexican rice, I already made a recipe about it, so just check it out. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and put a comment down below and let me know what you think about this recipe, and hope you guys enjoy this, and see you in my next video.